Hey y'all, welcome back to Rollin' Pin Recipes. We are making a delicious Valentine's dinner. Plenty of desserts. We need a dinner. I've got 2 pounds of not lean ground beef going in. It's gonna be super fatty, super delicious. Now, let me tell y'all what we're making. We are making heart-shaped meatloaf in the smoker. Smoked. My husband's getting the smoker ready right now. I'm gonna whip this together real quick. You gotta scrape this real quick. Got 2 pounds of ground beef in here. We are going to add a cup and a half of instant mashed potatoes. I never done it, but my husband likes it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna go in with a sprinkle of breadcrumbs. These are homemade. Pulled them from my freezer. We'll go in with that. Maybe a third a cup or so. Couple splashes of some W. 3/4 cup of milk or so. Just using the same one, y'all. You're kidding, right? Bro, always something. That's gonna need a deep clean. 2 eggs. I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. We're gonna sprinkle in a little onion powder as well as some garlic powder. And I'm gonna get some onion and garlic puree from my freezer. I've got a quart-sized bag here, about a quarter of it, pretty flat, skinny, onion, and we are fresh out of garlic. I buy a bunch, do it up, blend it in the blender, mince it if possible, puree is fine as well, and I throw it flat in a bag in the freezer, cube it up, and y'all, we need more. I got 2 left. 2 left. I'm gonna defrost this in the microwave and mix this up. It smells really good. The garlic's defrosted, the onion is not. Pretty good, but not completely. We're gonna mix this up. Delicious. We're just gonna pour that in, y'all. Now, I just realized this is gonna add a ton of moisture. So, I might have to add more potato and breadcrumb. Alright, we're gonna mix this up. Try not to overdo it. Alright, y'all. Got my 2 pounds of meatloaf done up here. Mixed up good. Now, for our delicious Valentine's Day dinner. We're gonna slap her on this full. This is huge. Talk about a meatloaf. Jiminy. This is massive. We want it a couple inches thick. Dang, y'all, that looks pretty good. Delicious. Can make anything fun, festive, cute, easy, on a budget. Can make it happen. Fun and festive doesn't have to be expensive. It can be budget friendly, simple, delicious meals that the whole family will love. Classics. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna wash my hands. Y'all, so cute. I'm excited. Got some height to her. Be perfect. The door got left open, so there's flies. It's gonna be absolutely delicious, fun, festive, cute. We're gonna brush it up and it'll be awesome. I'll show you when we put it in the smoker, y'all. I've got this tinfoil tray in there. We tried a bread loaf pan. Wouldn't fit. I just put my potatoes surrounding it. Now we're gonna add these little trays. This is the little shelf that goes into our smoker. We would like a bigger one, but this is great and portable for us at the moment. That will not bend at the moment. I am too weak. Okay, it's a little uneven. Oh well. Now, I'm gonna fill this up with water, I believe, out there. We might trim this full up, but we're gonna put this beast in here. Oh yeah, perfect. Fits in there. Perfect. Got the cute little loaf on the shelf. Potatoes surrounding the tin. I've got 4 potatoes and a sweet potato. We're gonna see what happens. Throw it in the smoker in just a minute. Alright, y'all, we're gonna brush this meatloaf with a barbecue ketchup mix. It's a little more barbecue than ketchup. We will see what happens. It's a good bit here. Once it hits 150, we're gonna go brush it on. It'll caramelize, get the top nice and delicious, and give it a little red color. It's a big piece of meat.
Yep.
Smoke getting in my eyes.
Yep.
It'll go in them cracks too. Wow. Wow. Cute.
All fat sitting in the bottom.
I know, I'm looking at that. I was literally just thinking that. This ain't a lean meat. Alright, y'all, here's the meatloaf. Looks delicious. Crumbling. It's okay. Alright, y'all, here are the potatoes. The sweet potato is definitely soft. I might need to microwave these for a minute. Alright, here's the beautiful meatloaf. Heart shape. If it falls apart a little bit, the topping will beautify it again in all transparency. It's a big boy here. My husband's just gonna get served up right on here. He wants his meatloaf on some mashed potatoes, y'all. And he's a ketchup head, so we're gonna add more ketchup. Give him a piece of my heart. La 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 la. Crinkling and crackling. Let's scoop it on there. Alright, y'all. Not gonna be the cutest thing. We're gonna top it with ketchup though. And we put them potato flakes in there. It's super moist. We won't eat all these tonight. They will be perfect for prep or anything else. Top this man's with ketchup. I'm gonna have to get out extra ketchup for him, y'all. Delicious. I'm gonna try sweet potato, y'all. I smoked me up one here. Looks incredible. I might do some of both. I'm not so sure about the skins. Was hoping it'd just come out. We'll take some of the skins. Alright, y'all, I have mashed up my other potato. We're gonna try to go in with half of this. Wow, that was hot. I like salt, pepper, sour cream, but simple, y'all, simple. I don't know if I've had a baked potato with meatloaf. Just gonna do it like this, y'all. Get this crispy boy. Now, there's plenty here, so we could eat as much as we want. This is a great crowd pleaser, family friendly, budget friendly, delicious. Mine's falling apart, so it's not going to be the cutest. We'll top it with some ketchup and eat it up. We appreciate y'all a ton. I hope you guys have a great weekend with those you love, eating the things you love. We appreciate y'all a ton for joining us in our kitchen. Messy or not, y'all. You know it's going to get messy. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, consider subscribing and following us along for more. We appreciate y'all so much. The whole house is hungry, so we're gonna eat together. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and letting us know what you think. We appreciate y'all a ton. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day with the loved ones. Bon appetit, y'all.